Eksa E910 Wireless Gaming Headset is one of the best budget wireless gaming headsets on the market right now that has a good amount of value for money. But how good can it really get? And is it really that good for the money? Stay tuned and watch this video till the end, where we come to a conclusion with a full hands-on review. So, without further ado, let's begin. As usual, we'll begin this video with a classic unboxing. As you can see, straight out of the box, we get a cool looking leather pouch with the Eksa logo engraved on it holding the headphones. The pouch could be a very good way to carry the headphones with you. The box also comes with a decent quality headphone stand you can assemble, which we think is a pretty good touch and a good initiative from Eksa. It also comes with a user manual that comes in a couple of languages. We can also see the 5.8 GHz receiver, the Type-C cable, and last but not least, the old school 3.5 to 3.5 mm cable. As for the build quality, the first thing you'll notice when you put these cans on is despite the size, it's more comfortable than it looks. I mean, sure, it appears a lot bigger than you wanted in order for it to be a good fit, but the E910 sits on your head in a very plush manner, mitigating ear fatigue on prolonged usage. The headsets themselves are also made from decent material for the price. The ear cups themselves are made out of imitation protein skin inert memory sponge, which is especially beneficial for people who wear glasses, as the headphones won't put any extra strain on their temples. The headband is made out of a beautiful combination of stainless steel and pure leather, whereas the forks that hold the cans are made out of an aluminum alloy. The headphones also feature a retractable microphone, which could be useful to people who want minimalism in a pair of headphones. At the back of the right ear cup, we can feel a volume knob to adjust the volume, a microphone mute button, and a dedicated power button that can also be used as a button to activate or deactivate the surround sound feature. Immediately after powering up, we notice the company logo glow up on both sides of the cans with a brightly lit red color with a slight orange highlight, giving it a very beautiful and warm looking aesthetic. Moving on to the sound quality, the E910 is a lot more premium feeling headset in terms of audio quality. With this, we can immediately tell how Eksa is not holding back from making headsets that do an amazing job of delivering thumping bass. The bass is definitely the crowning achievement in terms of audio on this pair of headsets, and it makes bass-heavy single-player games like Red Dead Redemption 2 and Doom Eternal sound explosive, as you can experience all the intricate details only a bass-heavy headphone can provide. On the other hand, games that don't heavily rely on bass but on delicate audio cues like Valorant or Rainbow Six Siege fall a bit under the quality line. But Eksa fixed this issue by providing an official app that you can download directly from the website, giving you access to an equalizer you can use to mix and match audio according to your preference. The microphone, however, could have used a little more work, as we found the audio quality to be just mediocre. Now, as far as the connectivity goes, we are more than satisfied, as the 5.8 GHz receiver does an incredible job of minimizing latency, resulting in a connection you would have a hard time differentiating from a wired one. The Eksa E910 has a 1200 mAh battery that can run for 10 hours and gets fully charged in 4 hours. Overall, for a budget headphone, Eksa E910 is a pretty good headphone featuring lightning-fast 5.8 GHz connectivity, configurable bass-heavy virtual 7.1 surround sound that also comes with an overall sturdy build quality, making it a very good value-for-money option. So, that was a review on the Eksa E910 wireless gaming headset. What are your thoughts on this wallet-friendly headset? Are you using it right now or plan on using this in the future? Do let us know, and as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.